Oh, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra, aka Mr. Yuisa, aka Hanbao Wang. And now today we're here at Xin'anjiang in Huangshan in Anhui province. There's behind the scenes of the one and only Li Barrett doing his thing.
Trying to maintain the
behind the scenes of the Barrett channel.
Cleaner, and there's some sort of system where.
Wow, look at that! I'm heading up on the boat here. Oh, it's quite bright. Let me put my glasses back on. Oh wow, have some seating here. Wow, got some nice seating to enjoy on this river ride here. Oh. It's honking the horn. Wow, just look at this scenery here behind me. Hey, hold on, start.
Near, far, wherever you are, I will live that my heart will go.
What's the words?
I don't know the words, but the melody we can sing.
Okay, I think that's enough of that, right?
That's a bit of a Titanic. Round of applause, guys!
Yay! Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. So that's me.
That was a little duet.
Wildman Cobra, Mr. Yuisa,
and this is
Humble
Lee,
One,
and this is Lee, aka Li Ning.
Yeah, doing our rendition of the Celine Dion song from Titanic.
Look at the crowd we've built up on the boat now after that little duet. Wow, oh, it's quite a nice mountainous region that we're
it's absolutely beautiful view, isn't it?
Sailing through here.
Something I'd like to do that I haven't actually done yet is I'd like to take a boat trip up the Yangtze River.
Oh yeah.
There's like ones that you can do for like almost a week and you live on the boat.
Right, yeah.
I'd like to do
that would be good, yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
Right, we're getting off the boat now. I'm about to walk the plank. And we're off the boat. We're back on the land. Oh, look over there. I've heard about this. This is the fishermen, and they actually use, you can see those birds there. I forgot what they call it actually. They use the birds to catch the fish. I think they also do the same in Guilin. I saw it there on the river. Wow, look at the birds sat there. If anyone knows what kind of bird that is, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so here we have Freya from CRI Online, and she's going to explain about these fishermen. She has all the information. So what can you tell us?
Well, actually, I don't have all the information. All I know is we can see here is some fishermen, and their name is Fisherman of Nicer Name because they have 9.
Their name is Fisherman of Nicer Name?
Yes, that's their name.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a very interesting name. And in Chinese it is
九姓渔民.
九姓渔民.
9 and 姓名 surname. That means 他们有9个姓名是分別，应该我的理解是有9个姓名的渔民。
Okay. Oh wow, so you can see wow. See the birds there? They're like a bird or a duck. They both got a fish. Wow, they are pretty skilled. And so I think what happens is the bird will swallow the fish like you just saw, right? And now the fisherman comes along and he will pull the fish straight out of their throat. Wow. So I wonder why the birds don't fly away, because they're not tied down at all. So why don't they fly away?
I think maybe they have to work, so they can't fly away.
They have to work?
Yeah.
Okay, that must be the reason. Look, you can see they're all just sat there. They're not tied down at all. So if anyone knows, then tell me in the comments below. I guess they must be attached to the fisherman. He probably feeds them, right? We're off the boat now. We're going for lunch, and we're gonna try some of the local dishes. Most likely it's gonna be fish. Put on a feast for us here on the Lazy Susan there. There's Lee getting all the meat, getting all the, what is that? That is,
Big lump of fat, mate.
that is some very delicious
It's like
pork.
a piece of, no, that's fat. I'm just eating that bit of meat off the top, mate.
Just bang it all in.
It's one of them.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
Right, here we've got the infamous, what, I can't pick it up. We've got the famous fish of this town, and what's special about it is that I absolutely just dropped it. What's special about this? It's all over the table. I'm making a bit of a mess of this. What's special about this fish is that it absolutely stinks, but it supposedly tastes pretty good. So we're gonna taste it now. Whoa, man, it smells like my dog, to be honest with you.
You don't like it, give it to my plate, I'll finish it. It's good, I'll go to trash. I tried it about 10 years ago, so maybe my taste buds change.
Not the best. Look at the size of this car, it's massive. Look at the height of it.
It's massive, isn't it? It's huge.
这是什么车？ Lincoln. Oh, it's a Lincoln. Oh, so 美国的哈。哦。你们不是美国的。我们是英国的。英国。
Oh, look at the interior.
什么大？很大哈。Wow.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, they got a plant in the car. Oh, they got look at.
Petals are made of 100 RMB notes.
Wow, wow, sight. Wow, look at that. They got the money. They got the money on the on the leaves. Whoa. I think I might be walking off with one of these.
Yeah, see ya.
Wow.
That's the first time I've ever seen
It's part of a wedding ceremony. Wow. I guess I think that might be the car for the groom. Huizhou Ancient Town. A National Tourist Attraction. And it is very to see this ancient town. Wow, we've got some old timers here, deep into a chess game now. What a sight. It's a proper, authentic chess game. 你好。Well, you can see a long street up there, going all the way up. There's Lee Barrett there with the ice lolly.
My ice lolly.
How is it?
Oh, it's great. I love these. My second one today.
Second one already.
Second one already. I had one for breakfast and one after lunch.
You had one for breakfast? Wow.
A strawberry chocolate one for breakfast. It was delicious.
I think Seoul might have just got married to someone. Wow, he's really getting into this. I think he might have just actually got married. Oh, they must walk on the cloth. Wow, 恭喜发财！
象征他们的生活红红火火，蒸蒸日上。
Now we're in the place that used to be a court, I think, and this is where the local government used to work here, and now it's being used as an art gallery. And now we've come into the main hall, and Freya is going to explain exactly what's going on here and tell us all about the information of this place.
Really? We can hear the introduction of this tour guide. And I think maybe it's the court in the past. From my
I already said that.
Ah, okay.
Any more information? Now we're in the next area of the hall, and Freya is now going to tell us about all the information about this place. The audience is waiting on the edge of their seats for the information. Okay, let's go hear what the tour guide is saying.
I think to have too much luggage here, don't I?
How many have you got? There's the straps coming from everywhere.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And about 9 cameras, 3 drones.
Luke, can you do me a favour? Can you get my passport? Did you know where?
He's not even got enough hands to get his passport out. He's got too many bags. Right, we're on to the next location. We're back into Huangshan railway station, and we're on to the next place, which is Hangzhou Dong. We're going to Hangzhou. On to the next one.